get them going. Okay, so it's up close to 0.5% for the Nifty, and no surprises out there. This is pretty much what the SGX Nifty or the pre-open rate suggested as well. What's moving and what's not? Let's just get in the first reaction. Okay, let's start off with the positives since the index is in the green. Wipro, well, a muted reaction and probably on expected lines because it wasn't really a great operational performance, more about the tax rebates coming in or the tax rate going down, which is why Wipro did so well. But the interesting one is on Hero MotoCorp, 4% lower. $74 gone for a Hero MotoCorp after those kind of numbers, so that's not looking too good. M&M has just had a little bit of a follow-up sell-off, so 0.5% or 1.5% off for M&M. But that's about it on the Nifty in terms of the losers. Lots of gainers. ONGC, the heavyweight, builds up another 3.5%, so that's adding some weight. BPCL is up close to 3% as well, not bad going. After a long while, JP Associates is posting some bit of a green, so 1.5%, 92.5, 93 on that one. KN India, mind you, there is a crucial meet today wherein they probably decide or lay out the roadmap for increasing the production, give out the schedule, and 1.5% higher for KN India in today's session. That aside, Reliance Industries up close to 1% ahead of the numbers, so close, nudging out in the 900 mark, 14 or 15 month highs for Reliance Industries. That's not done too badly. And a couple of metal names and banking names, the likes of a Hindalco or a State Bank of India or a Sessago, haven't done too badly, but it's still all about oil and gas. Must say, technology is fairly muted, just some gap ups coming in for an HCL Tech and a Wipro, but that's about it.
Well, Oil India is well added to that pack, and that is the other stock which is actually flaring up. 7% is the kind of uptick that you're seeing on Oil India. HPBP, IOC front. Now, runners, ONGC looking good, Reliance ahead of its earnings looking smart. Let's see where ITC as well as HDFC Bank too are up to. Both those names should come up for you on your screens next. ITC as well going strong into its earnings, and HDFC Bank as well is circling around that 670 odd level in trade right now. Couple of other result reactions. Well, yes, Hero MotoCorp sure enough is getting a pounding. The other stock which would be reacting to its Q3 performance should be Exide out of the mid-cap space. And there you go, it's a vicious 7% cut that you're seeing, and even now you're seeing the stock drift even lower and lower. Remember, the net profit has come in flat, if not an inch lower, at 104 crore rupees versus a comparable of 104.3, and that is starkly lower than what the street was expecting. So Exide really getting a hammering in trade today. Other names include the likes of Steel Cars, Magma Fincorp, Federal Bank as well, which should still be digesting the earnings, and you should be seeing some earnings or rather some reactions coming in. TCS as well has been selected by Nokia as their global IT partner. Let's see what TCS is up to. That stock is seeing some profit taking after the kind of run-up that you've seen in the entire space. MTNL now, it seems they've roped in advisors to monetize the land bank that they're sitting on. Bhushan Steel and GVK Power excluded from F&O contracts effective April 1st, and PNB is looking to raise about 1250 crore rupees by issue of preference shares to the government. Just want to see what the Bank Nifty is up to, considering yesterday it was a bit of a non-contributor / non-performer. Today the Bank Nifty again is just about marginally in the green, up about 0.5%. The market though is holding out there.